Have you ever thought of making your Android phone super fast again? In this video, I'm going to share with you how you're going to be able to do this with some simple steps. Let's check this out. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your settings right here. And when you go to your settings, you're going to scroll down till you see About Phone. You tap on About Phone. You scroll down till you get to Build Number. You tap on the Build Number 7 times. And you are going to activate your developer option by typing in this passcode right here. So when you type in your passcode, the developer option is actually going to be activated. And what you're going to do is you go back. When you go back, you're going to tap on System, and then you're going to see developer option right here. You tap on it, and then you scroll down till you get to this option right here, where you are going to see window scale animation, transition animation, and then animator duration scale. And then you change all into 0.5 right here, and then you go to the next one, you go to 0.5, and then the next one you tune it to 0.5, and you are done. Your phone is actually going to be blazing fast, and it's really going to respond to everything you do easily. And then in case you want to just deactivate this, you go back to your settings, and then how you did the same settings, you put it back to 0.1 in case you want to get your animations and all that. But if you don't want to get your animations, you want to get your phone blazing fast, this is what you need to do. So like this video up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and you can check this video out here in case you want to get some Android apps you can install on your devices. And I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.